Hello, my name is Sarah Weisseidel, and this is my processing project. I decided to make a snowman, and I would say that this was a very difficult project. I took many hours to try to figure this out. Once I decided that I was going to make the snowman, then I had to play around with where the snowman would go and where all the shapes would go, and I had to play around with just making sure that the shapes were straight and in a line. So here you go. If you click the mouse, you will notice that the mouth of the snowman and then the stripe on the hat turns to a different color. So if we take a look at the inside here of my code, you will notice that I set up a variable, and I had to look at a YouTube video on how to create a variable, but I decided to do it on a color. So I set the variable and I called it C. And so you can tell right here in the setup that I defined my color, what color it was going to be. And then I just put the letter C then for that color. So this is what my code looks like. I did the function here. I created the function the snowman, and as you can see, these ellipses, these are his body. I filled them in with white, the color white, and again it was tricky just to figure out where to put the snowman, the circles. And then this was the triangle, the shape I used for his nose, and I filled it in with the color orange. And then this part right here was the mouth of the snowman. So when you press the mouse, his mouth turns upside down. And then these ellipses were the buttons for the snowman. And then this was the hat for the snowman. And I filled it in with black with a different colored stripe. And then again, if you press the mouse, the stripe on the hat will turn to different colors. So in this project, I used the shapes a triangle, a rectangle, an ellipse, and an arc. And I used two what-if statements, if and then else. I hope you enjoyed my project.